If you want to fix export errors in RevID AI, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a powerful internet connection in order for this to work out. And if you have a powerful connection still facing that issue, make sure that you refresh your RevID AI project and try to export again, right? You're gonna see your basically your dashboard. You can go ahead and hit export at the top right. If you're facing issue exporting your short clip, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna go ahead to contact RevID AI support, and you can use their email, right? RevID or support at RevID.ai, and go ahead to your emails and click compose at the top or create your new email, and then talk about the subject, right? The subject is export, right? Problem. Okay. And then basically you're gonna explain that problem, like, hey, I try to export this X, Y, and Z, and just address your account, email address, right? And the project that you try to export, right? And then send it or forward it to support at RevID.ai, and they will respond to you in a matter of 24 hours to 48 hours usually. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.